Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials and dive straight into action. Pick the gift card type and set clear value tiers. Once chosen, configure fees, redemption rules, and expiry so customers know what to expect. Next, select a provider or plan an in-house rollout and confirm your payment gateway and tax settings. While doing this, create simple branding assets, logo, colors, short instructions, so the card looks official. Make sure to keep legal limits and compliance in mind as you proceed. Now focus on issuance and delivery. Build templates and generate secure unique codes or serial numbers for each card. Once done, automate issuance so purchases trigger instant email or SMS delivery and enable a simple balance lookup. Integrate with your checkout to apply cards during payment and plan refund rules and partial redemption handling. Run test purchases for the full customer journey. Buy, receive, redeem, refund to catch gaps. Make sure notifications are clear, and that redemption reduces the balance correct. Finish with launch, monitoring, and a clear recovery plan. You go live with a limited rollout, watch sales, redemptions, and fraud indicators closely, and adjust limits if needed. Make sure help docs and a fast support flow exist for lost cards, failed deliveries, or incorrect balances. If issues arise, you can regenerate codes, reissue value, or reverse transactions while logging actions for audits. Finally, review analytics after 1 week and iterate on messaging, limits, and automation to make the process resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.